Yes, 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 we are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben, and welcome to my show. OMG, guys. OMG. The market is selling off. I went live yesterday. The market was just crashing. Oh my goodness. I mean, I'm wiping my head right now. I'm sweating like, oh, I can't believe this. I mean, we in the bear market, so you have to expect anything, okay? And for your guys that always claim the market can't go low or can't go below a certain number, guys, let me explain something to you. The market can do whatever it wants to do, all right? You don't control the market, so stop saying that the market can't go below this number, okay? Stop it, all right? If you don't know who I am, my name is Big Ben. I am a professional day trader. I day trade Monday through Friday. Okay, I day trade the crude oils, the futures market, and also swing trade the crypto market. So if you want to learn more about that, definitely hit that subscribe button. Okay, because over here, guys, I only focus on the charts because the charts will never lie to you guys. Okay, your favorite YouTuber might tell you, "Hey man, buy the dips because we're gonna moon, tomorrow." But what I like to say is, if you really know how to read the charts, you don't have to listen to a stupid YouTuber, okay? You can make your own decisions because you see what the market is doing, okay? The numbers will never lie to you guys, all right? Numbers never lie to you. So learn how to read the charts. If you want to learn about that, definitely hit that subscribe button because over here, that's all I talk about, guys, is the charts because the charts are the numbers, all right? This channel is all about making money now. That's it. This channel is all about making money now, guys. I don't care about 2 years from now. I don't care about 3, 4, 5, 8, 20 years from now. All I care about is how can I make money now. All right? So if you are that person, if you're looking at this right now, you're tired of seeing your portfolio go down every single day, every single month, hit that subscribe button because over here I only focus on how can I make money now. Because we don't have time, guys. I believe we might have a global collapse, all right? So we don't have time to be, talking about, I'm willing to wait 5, 10 years from now. No. Let's see if I see people on my live stream, okay? Let me pop this thing out. Let me pop this thing out real quick. And shout out to everybody that's here. Okay, shout out to you guys that's here. Of course, during this live stream, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only, guys. It is entertainment only. If you are watching that replay, you can actually go to settings, hit speed, and go to 1.5 or 2, and you can speed up the chat. All right, I'm trying to pop this thing out. I don't know what's going on here. Okay, my computer's acting slow, so trying to speed that up because I'm trying to there we go. Okay, it's popping up right now. So let's see who's in the building. Okay, I'm gonna definitely give you guys a round of applause real quick. Let me squeeze this in. Let me put this to the side real quick, and I want to see who's in the building. Okay, let me give you guys a round of applause. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Right now it's actually 1:26 p.m. Eastern time where I'm at. Okay, so let me give you guys a round of applause. Thanks a lot for stopping by. All right. Let's see who's in the building. I'm not gonna name everybody, but Davina, GR8, Julian, who else? I think I said your name right. Jowlin, Dan, Leslie Savage. Who else? Wasteland, what's going on, bro? Lance. Lucy, thanks a lot, guys, for stopping by. John, all right. Eric, Craig, all right. Glenn, Lord of the Boards, Fetch, Satellite, what's going on, guys? Thanks a lot. I appreciate you guys for coming through. If you guys have any questions, you know what to do. You know what to do. With the questions, you just type it in. So if you're new to my channel, if you don't know how this works, basically, I give you guys updates with the charts and give you guys what I believe was going to happen with the crypto market. And also, I go through the chat box and look at your guys' questions and try to answer all your guys' questions. So if you have any questions, I know you guys have questions because some of you guys are down a lot. So I know some of you guys have questions. Type in your questions, guys. All right. So let's get this party started. Let's go to the coin market cap real quick. All right. So right now it's at 119. The Bitcoin dominance is growing, 54.5. Let me see. The volume is at 6 billion right now. And for the weekend, guys, this is a lot of volume, and the sell-off is crazy because, I mean, just think about it. When is the last time we had a weekend where, you know, we either went down or up a lot? I can't remember. Okay, so this is special. This telling me is that these guys are not playing, and they trying to wipe out a lot of people. All right. So right now, guys, what we're looking at is double digits or across the whole board, guys. None of these coins are safe. Stop thinking that your coin is special. None of these coins are special, guys. Okay. I don't care what the coin is doing in the real world. None of these coins are special. I mean, special because it's tied into the crypto market. So if it's tied into the crypto market, that means that it will go down along with everything else. All right. So everything else is down right now. Bitcoin is, is doing its thing. We actually went to we went to 34. Sheesh. Let me drop that bomb. Man, these guys is trying to wipe these guys out. Goodness gracious. Guys, I feel crazy inside right now. Like they wiping these guys out hard. So we went to 34. Oh my, guys, I think I'm about to throw up. I'm grabbing my chest right now, guys. Hold on for a second. I'm grabbing my chest. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. They wipe these yo. And I try, yo guys, I've been trying to tell you, bro. Just think about it for a second, right? You know, let's go through the whole year. Basically, we've been dropping, right? And these moon boys, especially, these guys that don't know anything, okay? They've been saying that this is the bottom, that's the bottom, this the bottom, okay? When we pull, I remember this right here, okay? I remember when we dropped like this, and that was a crazy drop. I remember we did this crazy drop right here. When I saw this right here, I was like, whoa, that's a crazy drop. But anyway, this year, since January, these guys been saying every little thing is the bottom, right? Okay, they said, oh, there's no way Bitcoin will go below 10,000. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, welcome. Definitely hit that subscribe button, because over here, guys, I only give you guys the facts. I only try to help you guys get to that next level. And not only that, over here, guys, my channel is about making money now. Okay, making money now. N-O-W, guys. N-O-W. Okay, I don't care about 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 20 years down the road. I don't care about that. Okay, you know why I don't care about that? Because the rich, you think they care? You think they trying to sit and wait? No, the rich is making money now. So I want to be like those guys. When I first started out grinding and trying to be an entrepreneur, I was like, you know what? I'm tired of doing my ways. I'm tired of doing it my way. I'm going to follow the rich. Okay, these guys are making crazy money, and that's why I said, okay, enough is enough. Let me follow those guys. Okay, so I'm all into making money now, and most people swear up and down that you can't do that. Yes, you could. Okay, I showed you guys multiple videos of me making money now, so I'm quite sure you guys know. All right, so stop thinking that you can't make money now. You could, and that's what this is my channel all about, because we don't have time to sit back and relax, guys. I believe a global collapse is going to happen real soon. But anyway, so last year, actually this year, everybody was saying, there's no way it's going to go below 10,000, right? Crazy. And for you guys that's new to my channel, and you know, if you don't understand what I'm doing right now, I'm quite sure some of you guys like, oh, you know, this guy sounds like a bear. I'm not a bear at all. Actually, you want to hear something crazy? I'm not a bull or a bear. Okay, let me repeat that. I'm not a bull or a bear. Okay, I am a professional. Okay, professional investor, a professional trader doesn't care if the market goes up or down. Okay, because they have a special skill that will allow them to make money whether the market's going up or down. Okay, so I am a professional, and I'm trying to get you guys to that level. I want you guys to you know, wipe out all your beliefs. I know it's going to take time because some of you guys are attached to a lot of these coins. I know it's going to take time, but little by little, I'm trying to shift your beliefs and help you understand how the rich, okay, the rich is making money. All right, so last year, I was bull this, bull that. I was a bullish guy, right? And you know, the reason why I was a bullish guy is because, guys, we was going up. All right, there's no reason why I should be a bear guy, okay? All right, you have to follow the major trend. So imagine me trying to say, guys, I'm shorting Bitcoin. No, I would basically, my whole bank account would be done right now. Okay, so this is the same thing what people are doing right now. They doing this they basically trying to buy the dips and time the bottom, and you don't want to do that, guys, because the momentum is to the downside. All right, it's not to the upside. Okay, you have to ask yourself this. Would you short, or would you try to short Bitcoin last year? Like, would you try to say, hey, man, I'm going to short Bitcoin because I believe it's going to go down? No. You was riding the waves just like everyone else, okay? Now, a lot of people got lucky because, you know, they didn't know what they was doing, and the market was just going straight up, and they was making money. Now, this year, it's all about the professionals, okay? This year, it's all about the professionals. You can see you can tell now who's the real deal, right? You can tell, bro. Let me hit this bomb, bro. Let me hit this bomb. You can tell, right? You can tell who's real and who's fake. You can tell who got lucky last year and who didn't really get lucky last year, okay? You can tell. Because the people that's making money now are the people that actually... It's the people that actually know what they're doing, okay? The professionals. But the people that's losing money this whole year, these are the guys that got lucky last year because the market was just going straight up. This is why I tell you guys all the time, please, 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 please study the charts, okay? I don't care if you buy anything from me, okay? You don't have to buy anything from me, okay? You can go to the library or whatever you want to do, study the charts. Okay, just do it. Your life will change if you put your heart into it. Okay, let me take a sip of this water real quick. I'm gonna definitely get to your guys' questions. But right now, what we've seen is the market is dropping. Right now, you know, last year everything was just dropping. I was telling you guys, listen. You know, especially in this range right here, a lot of people thought that they was smart and they was buying the bottoms because they said there's no way Bitcoin will go below 6,000 because look how many times we hit this level and it bounced up. Okay, now a professional like me, I'm saying, guys, okay, it's not that easy. All right. We are in a bear market. Anytime you see an obvious move in a bear market, most likely is a trap, okay? This is too obvious. This triple bottom, inverse head and shoulders. If all these moon boys that don't know anything about the markets telling me that this is the bottom, I know for a fact that that wasn't the bottom. Because a moon boy shouldn't be telling me this is the bottom. Bro, you don't even know anything about the bottom, all right? You don't know anything about nothing, okay? So we had this level where Bitcoin was bouncing this whole year, right? And I told you guys, listen, guys, listen. Okay? These guys are smart. They understand how you feel. They understand, you know, and I definitely explained this to you guys, you know, way before, okay? These guys are 1,000 steps ahead of you. And when I say these guys, I'm talking about the people that control the market, right? The whales and stuff. These guys are 1,000 steps ahead of you, okay? Just like the, you know, the big dogs that control the world, right? These guys are 1,000 steps ahead of you. And the reason why is because they have all the data, guys. They have everything on you. They know where you put your stop loss at. They know when you're about to enter the market. They know everything about you, guys. Not only they know where how much money you invest, where you put your stop loss, they actually know the you know, your behavior patterns, okay? They even know your behavior patterns, okay? So they know how you feel. They know what makes you upset, what makes you scared, nervous. They know all that stuff, okay? They know what makes you happy, okay? They know for a fact that if we defend this 6,000 level, most of these moon boys will get happy, okay? They know that, okay? They know how to play with your emotions, all right? These guys are 1,000 steps ahead of you. So they can see, guys, where all this stops is at. They can see, they have all the data, guys. They have all the paperwork right in front of their eyes. So it's no winning, guys. You can't go against these people. You can't. It's impossible. That's why I never, ever go against the trend, because I would never go against someone that has that type of information, okay? You would never win, okay? So the only way to win is to go along with the wells, all right? Go along with the market, the major trend. The major trend is down, okay? So now when we had this crazy pump right here, a lot of people was calling 10,000. Honestly, I thought we was going to go to at least 9,000, right? I thought we was going to go to maybe 89 or 9,000, okay? But I didn't think we was going to go to 10,000, okay? And we didn't, okay? Now, the reason why I believe that they didn't even go to 9,000 is because the same reason I just told you guys, okay? They have all the paperwork right in front of their eyes. So if they see a lot of people, going to cash out at 9,000 or 10,000, because I know a lot of people said, hey man, if Bitcoin hits 9,000 or 10,000, I'm going to break even, or I'm gonna cash out and I'm gonna get out the market. You know, they know that, guys. They have all the data, right? So they know that they knew that these guys was going to cash out around 9,000 or 10. So they didn't even bring the market up to those levels. Okay, they didn't bring it up to those levels. Now, meanwhile, you know, you guys screaming the moon. We've been making lower lows, and I've been trying to tell you guys, listen, guys, there's a lot of stops below these levels. Okay, a lot of people have stop losses at 5,800, 5,600, 5,900, even 5,500. Okay, I told you guys there's a lot of stops at those levels. I can't, you know, I told you guys I can't see the wells not stopping those guys out. Okay, let's say that the market was wanted to go up, right? Even if the market wanted to go up, I still couldn't see how these guys will make this the bottom and go straight up. It would be something like they would stop these guys out and then reverse. Okay, that's how it would be, something like this. So it would be a stop out, right? Boom, stop you out, and then they reverse the market. Okay, because there's a lot of stops for the whales to make money. Okay, these whales are cashing out, guys. These guys are making a killing right now. All right, but me personally, I didn't think the market was going to reverse anyway. So I said to you guys, I said, listen, it's very hard for me to see the market bottom, you know, create a bottom right here and go up to the moon. Okay, there's too many stops right here, and these guys can make a lot of money stopping people out. This is how the rich and the whales make their money. They make their money from taking money from uneducated investors. Okay, uneducated investors. So that's why you guys have to educate yourself and make sure that you know what you're doing, because if you don't, guys, you will feel it. You will feel it. So let me see if I see any questions right here. Let me see here. Let me see here. Let me go to these questions real quick. Shout out to everybody that's here, that's new. Let me see here. And if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, because like I said before, guys, over here I only talk about the truth, and I only talk about how to make money now. I don't care about nothing else. All right, I'm not into holding things and waiting 5 years, 10 years down the road. I'm not into that. All right, I'm into making money now. NOW. So let's see if I see any questions. Jalen said, Jalen, I believe that's how you say your name. I've been looking for a day trading. I hope I can learn from you. Okay. Yes, I have a day trading course, which basically talks about how to day trade the futures market. All right. I day trade crude oil. Okay. And I had a day trading course. I still have it. Like I said, if you guys are interested in that, you can email me. But at the same time, that's what when it comes to day trading. Okay, now when it comes to swing trading, if you want to swing trade the cryptos, I do have a course that's available out, and this is the course right here. I'm gonna give you guys a discount later on, so give me a second. I just want to get you guys question now. Yes, you can make money either way. Okay. The day trading is a next level thing where it takes your trading to the next level. You're going to see how the Wall Street guys are making a lot of money, and I'm going to show you. Okay, but if you still want to make money with the crypto, that course is good for you too. You still 3K is the bottom. I guess you meant to say, do I think 3K is the bottom? No, I never said 3K was the bottom. And I would never ever tell you a number. I would never tell you a specific number, because no one knows the bottom. So I can't tell you that. What I can tell you is I believe Bitcoin will go under 1,000. Okay. So let me go to these questions here. Somebody said Robert. What happened to Robert? All right, let me read these questions real quick, guys. Shout out to you guys. Dom said the Moon Boys must be happy right now. That's a green ink. I hear you, bro. Last minute said no way BTC will go below 3.5. Last minute, I think you're trolling. I think I was sarcasm, sarcastic. You said I was sarcastic. Okay, I see what you're talking about. Yes, that's what I'm saying. I thought you was joking. Let me see here. Will it go under 20? Are you talking about Bitcoin? What's going on, Leonard? They know if you're bad, being bad or good. Yeah, they know, like the Santa Claus, right? Dan said, Ben, why would these smart people kill the crypto markets? They have done well so far making money. Why would they crash it? There's less money for them lower. Shout out to you, Dan. No, it's actually the opposite. Okay, it's actually the opposite. You can make so much money to the upside, and you can make a lot of money to the downside. Okay, so it's not really, they're not really messing up the market when they crash it. Okay, they actually making money both sides. So that's why I'm trying to help you guys shift your thinking and try to operate like the rich. I want you guys to operate like the rich guys. All right. So basically what I'm saying is when the market crash, or when the market is crashing, they are making money too. All right. And this is what I'm trying to help you guys to do too. Let me see here. Yeah, guys, hit those likes. Hit those likes. And also, if you are new to our channel, hit that subscribe button, because over here, guys, I only tell you guys the truth. I don't care about telling you about, I don't care about hurting your feelings, all right? Because YouTube is not a thing that I rely on, okay? I told you guys this month that I'm looking to, have a lot of people unsubscribe, because I'm going to give you guys tough love. I'm going to tell you guys what you need to hear, okay? Some of you guys might like it, might not like it, okay? But it is what it is. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I don't want you guys to lose money, all right? So if I can save, you know how many people came to me and thanked me like, bro, thanks a lot, okay? So actually, one of the questions today is when to buy. When to buy, right? When to buy is you shouldn't be buying at all, right? Guys, I told you. All right, it's the opposite. A bear market is the opposite of a bull market. That's all you need to know. Okay, that's all you need to know, guys. So ask yourself, would you try to short Bitcoin last year when it was going up crazy? The answer is no. Why would you short a bull market that's going up this crazy? Why? Okay, now let's look at the bear market. You have to treat a bear market the same way you treat a bull market. Why would you try to time the bottom while the market is crashing like crazy, guys? You shouldn't be doing that. Stop it. Stop losing money. And I don't care if people don't like what I say. I'm trying to help people, right? And trust me, I helped a lot of people. I have a lot of people, emailing me, especially people that was holding at 6,000 and saying, hey, bro, man, I'm so glad that I sold. I'm so glad you saved me so much money. Thanks a lot. That's what I'm about, okay? I'm about saving people money, and I'm about making money now, okay? I'm trying to help you guys make money now. NOW. Why wait? All right, so let me go here. Below 1,000, yes. The reason why I say below 1,000 is because it's a number, okay? It's a number that I can say most moon boys are not thinking about, okay? Most moon boys can't even think that, or they didn't even, like, you know how many videos that I saw yesterday and today? Oh, man, guys, I'm not going to lie to you. I never thought Bitcoin was going to 3,000. You know how many videos I saw like that, okay? These moon boys never thought Bitcoin was going to 3,000. So if they never thought Bitcoin was going to 3,000, it's going to it has to be a number where it has to be like a number where like it's not in their mind at all, okay? And a number would be under 1,000. That's not in their mind, because they would say no way possible Bitcoin could go below 1K. All right? And you really have to understand that it's not what you feel inside. The market could do whatever it wants to do. All right, so don't get scared. It will fall below. How far ADA go down in your opinion? I don't know. A lot of these coins is going to go to zero. ADA, I'm not too sure how far it will go. But I tell you this much, if Bitcoin continues to go down, ADA will go down too. So I don't really know, honestly, guys. I really don't know how far ADA will go. I'm not really into, predicting anything, because, that's technical analysis is not about predicting, okay? That's why I shake my head, with these guys that's on crypto, on these YouTube channels, saying, talking about predictions. Like, bro, okay, no one knows a specific number. What technical analysis allows you to navigate through the market and make money from patterns that repeat themselves over and over and over, okay? So you're dealing with patterns that repeat themselves over and over and over. You take that pattern and you make money from that pattern, okay? Let me see here. What about XRP? 20 cents? No, I think XRP will go way below 20 cents. But right now, I don't know where XRP is right now. I don't know where it's at. But yeah, I believe XRP can hit easily hit 5 cents or lower. You know, it is what it is. Okay, let's see if I see any more questions. Do you think crude oil will crash more? Yeah, I think crude oil probably is going to hit the 49 mark, probably. Okay, it's a possibility. But you have to expect some type of bounce from crude oil. So I'm not gonna say it's gonna go more. It's gonna go down more. But I think we're probably gonna hit the $40 mark, like 49 or 48, probably. Let's see here. What's going on, Paul? Study hard to charge. Yes, study hard to charge. Always pay you over. Exactly. That's what you gotta do, guys. All right. There are buy orders under 1K. Yeah, it's probably a lot. You know, a lot of buy orders. Okay. Any cryptos in last week worth getting? No, I'm not buying anything. I'm not buying. Let me say that again, guys. I'm not buying anything. I don't suggest you, or you know, I can't give anyone financial advice. But guys, please, I'm a professional. If I'm not buying, then you guys should be chilling out too. Okay. This is a bear market. It can go lower, lower, and lower, and lower, and lower. Okay. I know you guys are brainwashed from these stupid YouTubers that tell you to buy the dip just because they playing a guessing game, guys. You have to understand, these crazy YouTubers are playing a guessing game. They got lucky last year. All right. They've been wrong the whole. Think about it, guys. Why would you want to follow a person that been wrong the whole year? Okay. A person that been wrong the whole year. Think about it. Actually, let me say this in a different way. Okay. So let's say that you had, let's say that you need surgery, right? Let's say you need surgery on your right knee or something like that, right? And you went to a doctor. He did surgery on your knee, right? And let's say he messed up the first time. All right. Let's say that, okay, let's say you went back to him the second time. Hey man, yo bro, you messed up my knee. Can you fix that? Okay. He tried to fix it again. He messed up again. Okay. And then you say, man, yo, what's going on, bro? Like, you messed up my knee. So you go back the third time, he messed it up again. Right. And imagine you keep on going to the same doctor and he's messing up your knee every single time. Your knee is still the same. It's not healing. It's actually getting worse. Your knee is getting worse. Why would you continue to go to that doctor? Answer that question to me, guys. Now, let's bring that back to the crypto market, right? Most of your YouTubers, your crypto YouTubers, your XRP YouTubers, all right, been calling $5 the end of this year, $10 the end of this year, $5.89 the end of this year, whatever the case is. They've been telling you to buy the dips. They've been wrong the whole year. Why would you continue to listen to a person that's wrong, that's wrong every single month? Okay? If you've been following me since January or even last year, you either made money or you saved money, okay? This is not a guessing game, guys. This is the real life. This is real life, guys. Right? Stop guessing. You need to seek professional help. Okay? Most of those guys got lucky last year. Game is over now, okay? This is a different game. This is only for the professionals. So you need to seek professional help. If you don't want to seek professional help, just stay out the market. Okay? Don't stop losing money. Let's see here. I'm reading these questions, guys. Shout out to everybody that's here. Thanks a lot for stopping by. If you have any questions, please type your questions in the chat box because I have 11 years of experience. Okay, this is what I do full time, guys. All right, this is how I make my money, by investing and trading the markets. All right. So I know some of you guys have questions, so type in your questions. Let me see here. Robert, I don't know anything about day trading. What are the types? So basically, Robert, day trading, I day trade the crude oil, okay? If you want to learn more about that, you have to email me, Robert. I day trade the crude oil, the futures market, okay? which is a regulated market. It's not, it had nothing to do with crypto. So the taxes are way better when it comes to that, right? If for you guys, actually, let me, because I had to reply to someone today talking about taxes, guys. Okay, listen to me carefully, okay? If you are worrying about taxes, guys, that's the wrong thing to worry about, guys. Stop, and I'm not trying to pick on you, Robert, or anybody else. I'm not trying to pick on anybody, because you have to understand, we all are new. So you asking, actually, you are asking a legit question. But what I'm trying to help you guys understand is, I don't want you guys to think about taxes at all, okay? And this is why you don't want to think about taxes. If you increase your tax bracket, guys, that's a good thing. All right? That's a good thing. You can't avoid taxes. Okay? So stop thinking about taxes. Taxes is not your problem. You know what your problem is? Building a skill that, that's going to help you get to the next level. That's the problem, okay? Taxes is not your problem, guys, right? So stop thinking about taxes, because I said to this guy, I was like, because he asked me about taxes, I was like, you think that Goldman Sachs or these banks think about taxes? Bro, they got traders all day trading money, and they make way more trades than me. You really think they saying, hey guys, hey traders, chill out with trading. I don't want you guys to trade. I don't want you guys to make money because I'm worrying about taxes. No, guys, I want you guys to start thinking like the rich. All right? I want you guys to start thinking like the rich, because that's the only way you're gonna go to that next level. All right, let's see what's going on here. Why do you believe Bitcoin will go under 1,000? Okay, the reason why I believe Bitcoin will go under 1,000 is because most people are not thinking about that number. Right? You have to understand, I'm not thinking like the average Joe. I'm not thinking about the average Joe in the crypto market. That's why most people are losers when it comes to investing in trading, because they think like the average Joe. I'm trying to think like the well. I'm trying to think like the wells, right? The wells know that you believe 3,000 is the bottom, okay? They know that. They're not stupid. They know that, okay? So you know how many people are going to buy when Bitcoin get to 3,000? All right? So I'm trying to think of a number where most these moon boys are not thinking about, okay? And that number is under 1K. All right, so you said Soros. Can you explain how money is made off of the crash? That's what Soros does, right? Yes. So Soros actually, I think he made like billions of dollars shorting the crash. So basically, he asked a good question. How can you make money from this crash? Okay, so guys, if you don't have this course by now, check it out. All right. Actually, let me give you guys a discount, because I usually give you guys a discount during a live stream. So let me give that out right quick. Okay, so right now the original price is $300. So let me give you guys that 50% discount for the live. Okay, and it's only live, guys. All right, because a lot of people email me and say, hey man, how come this thing is $300? Well, because you didn't take advantage of the live stream price. This is live stream price. All right, when I get it off the live stream, it goes back to $300. All right, now if you want to pay $300, then that's on you. So let me give you guys this real quick. Now I'm gonna go back to this guy's question. Okay, let me copy and paste this link. And guys, I forgot to tell you guys yesterday, this right here, it comes with a Discord room. Okay, so you get to chat with me and my students. Okay, guys, this is not a regular course where you buy and that's it. No, you get to chat with me and my students. Okay, even the day trading courses. I have a day trading course. The day trading course costs way more than this, because I'm trying to help you guys go to that next level, make money every single day type of thing. Okay, but this course right here comes with a Discord room, and this course will help you become a professional. It'll help you make money in the bear market and the bull market. Okay, just what it is. All right, so if you have any questions about this and the day trading course, let me know. I just give you guys that link. So let's go back to this guy's question. He said, can you explain how to make money? So basically, making money from a crash is very simple. Okay, so let me go to the 4 hour real quick. Let me give you some examples. All right, let me give you some examples. All right, so in order to make money from the bear market, you really have to study the chart, understand what's going on, and then you have to take trades based on a certain pattern. So okay, so let's say the pattern that you use, is a bear flag. All right, let's see if I see any bear flags here. Okay, all right, so this is a bear flag right here. Okay, so let's say that you see the market dropping. Okay, and let's say that one of your patterns that you have in your system is bear flags. Okay, you can use these bear flags to get in the market. Okay, now these bear flags, once you see that bear flag, boom, you're in the market. Okay, now how do you make money from that? Okay, it's very simple. First of all, you don't need to own the coin. Okay, so let's say you want to short Bitcoin. You don't need to own Bitcoin. All you need is money in your account. So let's say that you had $500 or $200 in your account, or even $2,000 in your account. Okay, you just need money in your account. Okay, and once you see a setup, let's say you see a bear flag, right, and you see the market is dropping. Okay, all you have to do is press the sell button. So it's basically the reverse of buying. All you have to do, instead of pressing buy, you just press sell. Okay, now when you press sell and the market drops, you're going to see your account with profits. Okay, so as soon as the market start to drop, your account is going to you're going to see profits in your account. Okay, now that's just one way to get in the market. There's multiple ways to get in the market. I'm just showing you a bear flag. Okay, you're gonna need some type of setup to get in the market. Okay, but that's how you do it. It's the opposite of buying. You just have to press the sell button, and once you press that sell button and it goes down, you make money. Okay, let me see if I see any more questions here. What's going on, Bambino? So when you short BTC, you're buying. No, I'm not buying anything. When you short BTC, you're selling. So I just showing. I definitely explained this situation. So I'm quite sure that you heard me. Mark D. What happened to Mark D? Mark D is trolling. Mark D is trolling. What happened to Mark D? What he said? Let's see what Mark D said. Never listen to people. Oh, so pull numbers. Never listen to people who pull numbers out their butt. I don't know what he's talking about. I don't know if he's talking to me. He probably wasn't even talking to me. So he probably was. Let's see if he was talking to me. BTC 1500 coming soon. Yes. So I don't know. Like I said, I don't know if he's talking to me, but I'm guessing he was. So shout out to all my mods. Okay, so like I said, I get trolls here and there. It is what it is. It's funny because the trolls can never show me how they making money. Okay, they can never show me how they making money from the market right now. Only thing they can tell me is, hey man, my coin got some good news. That's it. You're not showing me how you make money. I got multiple videos showing you how I make money. How about that? Technical analysis is about prediction. Your analysts technical predict what's happening next. Honestly, it's not about a prediction, okay? It's about taking a setup when it appears, okay? So basically, when I see something like let's say for an example right here, I'm seeing a bear flag right here, and I take this bear flag. I'm not saying, hey bro, this is going to work out, okay? I'm not saying none of that. And also, I'm not being specific, okay? So most people, when they give you these predictions, they are specific with their numbers. They say November 5th, Bitcoin will reach 6K or whatever. They are very specific with their numbers. I'm not. When I trade, I look for setups and I take the setup. I don't know if the setup is going to work or not. But what I can tell you is, from me studying the charts and from me doing this for 11 years, if you trade with the trend, you can have an accuracy of 80% or better, okay? Now, just because some people can't understand that, you know, it's something that you just have to study over and over and over. You guessing? Yeah, I don't think you can short in Binance. I don't think so. Richard said, your channel has been the realest, man. Thanks a lot. Let me give you a round of applause. And let me give everybody else a round of applause, guys. Thanks a lot for stopping by. All right. Appreciate it. Randy said, if you're worrying about taxes, then having a lot of money is not for you. Let me give Randy that bomb button, okay, guys? If you're worried about taxes, bro, first of all, let me explain something to you. When your guys get a raise at your job, let me explain something. This is how, you know, because a lot of people are just, you know, it's a lot of false information out here in the public, guys. There's a lot of false information. It's because a lot of people don't know what they're talking about, okay? The rich guys are not talking about certain information. So that's why when you hear certain information, it's usually from people that are not making money. So if you get a raise from your job, don't you know you have to pay more taxes? So why do you care about paying taxes now? So let me you know, I guess explain that a little bit better, okay? So let's say that you never swing trade in your life, right? And let's say you started to swing trade and you're starting to make an extra $1,000 a month, $2,000 a month. Why do you care if you have to pay taxes? That's money that you didn't have before, okay? That's money that you didn't have before. Okay, if you get a raise at your job right now, you have to pay taxes. More taxes, put it like that. Let me see. You have to have a large sum of money to make money you are making. No, Trina. Shout out to you, Trina. No. I don't. You don't have to have. That's why. Okay. I love the futures market, okay? And I love trading with leverage, okay? With the futures market, when I day trade, when the futures market, we are dealing with leverage, okay? So let me give you an example, okay? I guess I can give you an example of one of my students, okay? One of my day trading students, he started off with $1,000 in his account, okay? Or 1,100, whatever, okay? He doubled his account in a week. So basically, he made $1,000 in 1 week, okay? I'm quite sure a lot of people that's working a real normal 9 to 5, not making a lot. I know for a fact a lot of people are not making $1,000 a week, okay? To top that off, last week, he did that again. He made another $1,000, okay? So you don't need a lot of money to make money. You need knowledge. You need that information. You need financial education, okay? With a small account, you can actually make more than you make at your job right now, okay? So I'm here Okay, I'm a professional here trying to help people and tell people, listen, you don't have to suffer. Because all your guys that's buying and holding, all your guys are suffering right now. You don't have to do it. You can make money now. And this is what this channel is all about. Making money now. NOW. We don't have time to wait, guys. It might be a global collapse very soon. We don't have time to be waiting. We don't have 2 years, 3 years. We don't have time, guys. We need to make money now. Let's see here. And that's just the futures market. Now, if you play in the Forex market or the crypto market, you don't need that much to fund your account. You can fund it with $200 or something. Okay. Let's see here. They can't show you what they are doing. They can show you that they are losing. That's funny. That's true. All these YouTubers are like, oh yeah, best coin. Yeah, I know, man. Good boy said, any good news? That sounds funny. That sounds funny. Because you know why? I hear that a lot from, people. Any good news? That was funny. So we got some more trolls. Oh, I think he's cursing. So one, I think you're cursing. That's why they are deleting your message. So chill out with the cursing. Adam, what's going on? Still got love for you, Big Ben. Keeping it real. Shout out to you, Adam, man. Thanks a lot for stopping by. All right. Glenn said yesterday we shorted XRP. How do you legally trade with leverage? Well, if you want to trade crypto with leverage, there's websites. I'm not even going to name the website because it seems like certain websites, one day they take U.S. clients and the next day they don't. So, you just email me or get the course. Okay, email me or get this course. It will, basically explain everything. Or you can use Bitmax with a VPN. Like I said, I'm not suggesting you using it. I mean, use a VPN. But like I said, some people do that. Let me see if I see any more questions here. Shout out to Mark. He said, I'm not a troll, enjoying your stream. Yes, I hear you, bro. Shout out to you. All right. So let's go through these coins real quick. Let's see what Litecoin is doing. So Litecoin right now, guys, is at $28, which is and guys, remember when Tommy Lee? Remember when Tommy Lee, guys? I'm sorry, I'm saying Tommy Lee. Remember when Charlie Lee said, you remember what he tweeted out? That Tommy Lee tweet? He said something about don't be surprised if you see Litecoin at $20. Remember that, guys? Charlie Lee sold all his Litecoin or something like that because this guy knew probably the bear market was coming soon. And he said, don't be surprised. And a lot of people was probably, laughing at him, like saying, like, we made, $20 Litecoin. And basically he was right. That is nuts. All right. That is nuts. Let's look at Ethereum, guys. Ethereum looks like this is a sad situation. All right. And what I want to do, let's go to the weekly because I had this circle right here and it hit this circle. So this is one of my targets. So what is the next target, guys? Let's go to the weekly real quick. What is the next target? I was looking at the weekly. Okay, I usually don't look at the weekly, but since we're dropping like this, I want to see if it's another target. Okay, and it looks like we can hit this $50 mark. All right. or maybe go in the 20s. But let's see what Bitcoin is doing. In the weekly. So Bitcoin weekly looks crazy. You know, a crazy solid bar on a week. Now, like I said, guys, don't be surprised if Bitcoin decides to keep going next week. I don't know if that's true. I don't know if Bitcoin will continue to go next week. But I want to do something real quick. Now, if Bitcoin decides to sell off like they sold off this week, I don't think so. I think it'll probably be less. But if they do, you know, sell off like this, right now, that measurement of that candle is around 1600. That is crazy. I think a lot of people will be depressed if we hit 1600 next week. I'm not saying that we're going to hit 1600 next week. I'm just saying if we have another sell-off like last week, you know, it's going to be crazy. Now, I do think we're going to rebound probably a little bit, or maybe consolidate a little bit, since the sell-off was crazy. But you never know. We might not rebound. Okay, we might just continue to sell off. Okay. Now, like I said, my first target right here is that 2900. And we pretty much right here, guys. We pretty much at that 2900. It looks like they're not going to stop until they probably get to that level. Hey, new back. 2020 Litecoin coming soon. Yeah, he knew back. Yes. So Charlie Lee knew that $20 Litecoin was going to be for real. That's why he probably sold. Okay. It is what it is. Yeah, you know, like I said, guys, if you have any questions, let me know. Okay. If you have any questions, let me know, guys. Please type in your questions. Type in your questions. Now, let me show you something real quick that I showed you guys yesterday. I showed you guys this yesterday. All right. Now, remember, last year we had this crazy up move. Okay, it was around November 11th, 12th. Okay. Remember, we had this crazy up move right here. All right. Now, if you notice that around November 10th, 12th, we are making a crazy decline, and it could be something similar to this, but to the opposite side. Okay, so we could have a big move to the downside. So just be careful. All right, guys, please don't buy the dips. This could be really ugly. Okay, I mean, like ugly. Stop listening to these YouTubers. They tell you to buy the dips. These guys are losers. I don't care what no one says. These guys are losers. Okay, I don't like people that tell people to do something, and meanwhile these guys are not doing it themselves, and also they are making innocent people lose money. I don't like that. Okay, you have people out here screaming hodl to zero. Like, guys, don't do that. You don't want to hodl to zero, guys. Stop it. All right? I'm here to give you guys that spark. All right? I'm here to help you or show you that there's other ways to make money in the market instead of just hodling. Okay? Because you have to understand, the rich is not playing the same games you guys are playing. Okay? They're not hodling. They're making money now. And this is my channel is all about making money now. Okay? The chart never lies to you. So study how to read the charts, because the charts will never lie to you. This is how I'm able to do this full time, guys. All right. Now let's get into something like, basically, you know, I guess what I really want to get into right now is what's, what is different this time, okay? What is different this time? Because people, people always, let me read this question real quick. Let me read some questions real quick. If I see any questions. Don't you see that Dogecoin is stable when the market is crashing? AN said TA doesn't work for BTC. Give up. AN. So let me ask you a question. Are you making money now from the crypto market? You probably one of the guys that's buying the dips. Okay. Let's look at Dogecoin real quick. He said it's stable. Basically, the price. Look at the price, though. The price is at sub zeros. Eventually, most likely, it was going to continue to crash anyway. It doesn't look stable at all to me. Hey, what's going on? Who knew? All right, so let's get to what I want to talk about. So, guys, we know that every time Bitcoin crash, okay, it recovers and it goes higher again. Okay, I can show you charts where Bitcoin crashed a lot and it goes right back up. Okay, and I talked about this last year too. Okay, I talked about that last year. How Bitcoin goes up, goes down, crash, and make new highs. Okay. Yes, hit these likes, guys. It's not going to hurt your fingers. All right. Hit these likes. It's not going to hurt your fingers. And also hit that subscribe button if you are tired of losing money, because over here, I'm only interested in making money now. Okay. So I make money from the charts. If you are, if you want to learn more about that, hit that subscribe button. And hit these likes. Now, we talked about this, guys. We talked about this. We talked about how every time Bitcoin crash, it goes right back up and make new highs. Okay. And when we was crashing this year, I said, you know what, guys, don't worry about it. Okay. It looks like, we're just going to have a bear market, whatever. Okay. But the more I started to study the market, the more I said, you know what, I don't like what I see. I don't like what I see. Okay. Now, I love the crypto market. Most people, swear I'm down, probably think I don't love the crypto market. No, I love it. I love the whole idea where we can actually separate from, the system. I love that. But at the same time, I am a realist. I am a professional. So I have to stay on track and not just make moves, just on hope. Okay. My moves is not based on hope. So I have to be that guy that's a realist. So what is different this time? Why am I saying, this market might be in a bear market for a long time, and don't expect, crazy moves from this market? Why? Okay. And the reason why I'm thinking like this is, is because the market is changing. Okay. We had a good 10-year run without the government involved. Okay. Now, since the government is involved in crypto, I don't like what I see. Okay. I don't like it. Now, let's say that the government wasn't involved in crypto. I would say, hey guys, don't worry about this crash. We might take a hit for a couple of years. That's cool. But don't worry about it. We're going to rebound and we're going to continue to go up. Okay? But now I'm saying to myself, you know what? I don't like what I see. And I thought to myself, I said to myself, should I keep this to myself? But I was like, you know what? It doesn't make any sense if I keep it to myself. Okay? Because, on this channel, I mostly talk about crypto. So I was like, man, if I talk about this, I know most people are probably going to unsubscribe anyway. Okay? But I was like, you know what? Who cares? Because, I'm telling people the truth. And even if people unsubscribe, it is what it is. It's not like I make money from this anyway. So that's my whole thing with this crypto market. All right. The government is involved. And when the government is involved, they love to set a lot of regulations. Okay. These regulations are going to slow down the market a lot. All right. And it is what it is. Okay. A lot of people forget that we live in the matrix. Okay. 95% of the information that's in your head right now, it didn't come from you. Okay. It came from society. So we live in the matrix, and you have to understand the people that control the matrix. These guys are the worst. All right. They wake up thinking about how can we control the world, right? The population. That's what they think about, guys. Okay, when we wake up, we probably think about the market, or we probably think about, going on the internet, maybe chat with our friends, going on Facebook, look at some TV. When these guys wake up, all they think about is how can we control the world, or how can we continue to control. Okay. So you have to understand that everything is a trap. This whole matrix is a trap, guys. It's just what it is. This matrix is a trap. Most of you guys are sleeping, which is okay. I know I can't wake up a lot of people. Okay, it is what it is. But everything is a trap in this matrix. Okay, they want us to go to school, right? They just think about it, guys. When we little, we go to school all the way until what? We hit 18 years old. That's a lot of years, guys. Why? I mean, think about it. I sat down and I said to myself, when I graduated junior high school, I didn't really learn a lot in high school. Like, I could have just graduated junior high school and be done with school. Like, why do I need high school? I didn't really learn anything in high school like that. Okay. So they teach us some crazy stuff in school that is not, we're never going to use that in the real world. Okay. They don't teach us life skills, survival skills, right? They should teach us at least how to swim, how to survive. They don't even teach us that, right? They don't teach us no financial skills, none of that stuff. So all this school is a trap. Okay. It helps to control a lot of people, dumb you down, right? Dumb you down. And when you go to college, that's another trap. Why? Because when you go to college, you're going to have a lot of debt. Okay. They're going to, these credit card companies, man, they will give you credit cards left and right. Boom, 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 boom. They give you loans left and right. So when you graduate from high school, you guys are going to be in debt. You're going to be paying that debt off for a long time. So that's a trap. Okay. And then when you basically go for a job. That's a trap too. Your 9 to 5 is a trap. Okay, they want us to work until we 65 years old and retire. I mean, are you kidding me? What can I do at 65 years old? Okay, and also they want you to put all your money in the 401k so you can tie it up, right? That's another trap. They punish you if you try to take money out of your 401k. Don't you know that? So they don't want you to take the money that you saved up and use it for something that's good, right? They punish you. So all this stuff, all this matrix stuff is a trap. Everything in the matrix is a trap. Okay? And the reason why they trap you is because they don't want you to go to the next level. They need average Joes. They need average Joes, guys. They need us to be average. So when it comes to the crypto market, you have to understand that plays a lot, okay, into the crypto market, because they see that a lot of average Joes are making a lot of money. They see it. They're like, you know, they let it slide for 10 years. They let it slide for 10 years, right? They say, oh, okay, you guys making money for 10 years. Oh, I'm gonna let it slide. Just the same way they let the drug lords slide for a lot of years, okay, before, you know, they let them slide for a lot of years because they build up the case and then boom, it's a sneak attack, right? So now they let it slide for, you know, a good 10 years. Now they stepping in and saying, hey, guys, we got to regulate this. Right? They don't want you to make easy money. They need to control things, okay? They don't want the average Joe to make millions and billions of dollars. And it's not just the financial market, it's the food industry, it's the, you know, drug industry. Come on, guys, you know the deal. They control food, they control everything. Okay? So what I'm thinking is, you know, it's gonna be a reset in the global system, because right now I think it's the best time to reset the system, guys. Think about it, okay? The last time we really had a crazy depression was probably close to 100 years ago, okay? So right now is probably the best time to do it. Only reason why is because the people that went through that depression, these guys are gone, all right? Or about to be gone, right? About to leave the earth. So now we have a new generation that never been through something hard, okay? So it's very easy to trick a generation that never been through something that's very hard, okay? Because most of these, you know, young guys think that everything will be okay and the market will always continue to go up, right? That's how they think. Okay, they think that everything is always going to be good. No, guys, we're going to have some tough times. And a guy like me that hardly graduated from high school and never went to college, if I can do this, guys, you can do this too. All right? Now, stop thinking that everything is going to be okay and we always going to go up. Guys, it doesn't work like that. All right? See, what they love to do is they love to hypnotize you to make you feel, or to make it feel like things always go up, okay? So even with the stock market, guys, they hypnotizing you to make you believe that every single year or every, you know, 10 years the market continue to go up, okay? It's just a trick, a trap, another trap. Okay, when we had that depression, don't you know that we was in a bear market for at least, what, 25 years? A bear market, 25 years. Okay, we could have another situation like this because this is right now what's going on is nuts. Okay. Now, most people don't understand that the people that control the matrix, these guys know that we are getting smarter. The average Joe are getting, basically the average Joe is getting smarter. Okay. They know that. And the reason why the average Joe is getting smarter because we have more information, guys. The internet. The internet allows us to research. And we can go to Google right now, type in anything, how to anything, right? Like I can type, I never, let's say let me see, let me think about it. I never built a desk before. So if I go to Google and type in how to build a desk, I can find out everything right there. Boom. On the information right there. Okay. So people and investors are getting smarter. They know that every single time we have a bear market, the market eventually goes right back up. They know that. Okay. People are getting smarter now. So people are not even worried about the bear market no more. They're like, what? The bear market, please. We're going to continue to go back up. And the guys that control the matrix, they know that. They know that we are getting smarter. So since they know that, they have to play a different game now, guys. A different game. They have to play a different game. Now, that different game is going to be brutal because it's going to wipe a lot of people out. And not only is it going to wipe a lot of people out, you probably ain't going to recover no time soon. Probably 30 years from now. 40 years from now. Okay? So what I'm trying to help you guys realize is you're playing a dangerous game if you sit here and think that your coin is 100% guaranteed to go back up. You're playing a very dangerous game. Okay? What I'm doing here on my channel, I'm trying to help you understand that, bro, I understand you love your coin, okay? You want to hold it, fine, whatever. But don't you know that there's other ways to make money, okay? So if you want to hold, fine, hold your coin, fine, hold it, all right? But you can actually have another strategy on the side that allows you to make money, okay? Now, so the question is, right? The question is, since I told you guys the whole matrix stuff, the question is, how do you get out the matrix? That's the question. How do you get out the matrix? Well, you first have to reprogram yourself. There's no other way, guys. You can't get out the matrix if you don't reprogram yourself. Okay, you can't have the same program like the average Joe. Okay? The average Joe always going to be stuck in the matrix because they have the matrix programming, right? They have the software. Right? You have to reprogram yourself. You can't use the matrix program. Okay, you can't. So you have to look at the people that's doing real good in the matrix. Okay, the rich. You really have to understand what these guys are doing. I want you to sit back, look at these guys, copy them. Okay, copy them. There's nothing wrong with copying people. Copy them to say, hey man, I want to be like you. Can I copy you? You know, can you tell me what you do? You know? So the solution is, guys, after you program yourself, reprogram yourself, okay? The next thing you need to do is you need to build a skill that will allow you to make money every single month, okay? That's the next thing you need to do. Because for you guys that's buying and holding, guys, I'm telling you right now, bro, we living in different times. They understand, guys. They understand that that every time the market crash, it goes right back up. They know. So they got to play a different game now, okay? If you really think that 2019 is going to be that year where we're going to moon up, man, you have a lot to learn, guys. You have a lot to learn. They understand. They have to keep us down. We have to understand how they think so we can play their game, okay? Now, to get out the matrix, you have to build a skill, that allows you to make money every single month. Your buy and hold strategy doesn't allow you to make money every single month. If you want to continue your buy and hold strategy, fine. You can continue your buy and hold strategy. But my channel is all about making money now and eventually quitting your job. That's what my channel is about. Okay, so if you don't like that, then this channel is not for you. Okay, if you like working at your 9 to 5, this channel is not for you. So the next thing, like I said, is to build a skill. Okay, you don't have to have no talent at all, guys. Trust me. Most people swear up and down that I have some special talent, guys. I don't have a special talent. All right. You know what my talent is? I put my head down and I study. That's my talent, guys. Everybody have that. Everybody has hard work in them. Hard work is free. Studying is free. Practicing is free. All that stuff is free, guys. You have it. Use it. Okay? I study my butt off. I study the charts. This is how I make my money. I study the charts. That's how I make my money from the markets. All right? Now, what you want to do is build a skill. And that skill will allow you to make money every single month. The reason why you want to make money every single month is because it's going to help you build up your wealth consistently, okay? Because your buy and hold strategy is not 100% guaranteed. You might be waiting 6 years from now, and your coin might be, at the yearly lows and flatlining and not going anywhere, okay? So the rich, if you follow the rich, just study the rich, okay? These guys make money every single day, week, month, okay? I told you what Google makes, right? From ads. They make at least $120 million a day from ads, okay? So the rich, the guys that you look up to, these guys make money all day long, okay? If you look at the Wall Street guys, the people that you want to come in, right? A lot of you guys begging Wall Street to come in. Come on, Goldman Sachs. Come on, Goldman Sachs. Come in. Goldman Sachs and the banks and these hedge funds and all these guys, these Wall Street guys, they have a whole bunch of traders trading their money, making money every single day, okay? They making money every single day with their capital. So they have a whole bunch of traders trading their capital, making money. So how do you build a skill? That's the next question, okay? How do you build a skill? You basically have to learn, okay? You have to learn the market, okay? So basically, let's say that you want a swing trade or a day trade. You don't have to study the chart, okay? You can go on your library. You can go to the library, or you can go to Google, or whatever the case is. Do whatever you have to do, okay? You can learn from yourself, study, make mistakes, learn, improve on your mistakes, blah, blah, blah. You can do that. You can go that route, okay? Or you can go another route where you can save time and you just basically learn from people that's doing it, okay? You can learn from people that's doing it. I remember listening to one of my mentors. He said, it's amazing how you can actually learn. You can read a book, right, and learn from a person. And let's say that you read that book for 3 hours, right? And it basically took that person, 5 years to basically get that knowledge, and you learned it in three hours, okay? That's the power of learning, okay, from people that's doing it. You can basically shortcut, or not, I hate to use that word shortcut, but you can speed up your success by learning from people that's doing this, okay? And all you have to do is practice, guys. That's it. Practice, 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 okay? So skill is just basically education plus experience, okay? So you learn what you have to learn, okay? And then you have to gain that experience by just basically doing, okay? You always have to do, guys. You always have to do. And you're going to make mistakes, so you have to improve, all right? Now, when you start making money, guys, I'm going to let you guys know. You don't even have to make $1 million a year, okay? You don't have to make $1 million a year. You can make 250K a year and still look good, guys. Okay? If you're making $250,000 a year, you're making at least 15 to 20K a month, right? If you tell me that you can't live off of 20K a month, something's wrong with you. You have some serious spending problems. Okay, you have really some serious spending problems. You can live off of 250K right now. Okay? So stop thinking that you have to be a millionaire. You don't have to be a millionaire. Yes. Okay? Eventually, you want to get to that level to be a millionaire, but you don't need to be a millionaire right now. Okay? Making 15, 20K a year is good. I mean, a month, making 15 to 20K a month is good. Okay? Now, the reason why, like I said, guys, the reason why you really want to work on that weekly and monthly income is because imagine you making, let's see if I can actually change the font on this. Imagine you making that monthly income, because I know a lot of people are new to my channel, so I know you guys probably didn't see this already. But imagine you making 10K this month. Okay, next month you're making 15K. All right, the next month you're making 25K. Okay, the next month, let's say you made another 15K. The next month you make 20K. Let's say that one of these months you decide to, let's say this month, right? You decide to take this 15K, right? Take this 15K and put it into your favorite coin. Let's say you put it into XRP, Litecoin, whatever. And let's say for some reason it didn't work out. Okay, the market went to zero or whatever the case is. Would you complain? Would you complain about that 15K? No. Why? Because guess what? Next month you got another 16K coming in. The other month you have another 20K coming in. Guys, this is the secret. All right? This is how you do it. You don't do it by taking all your wealth, put it in a coin, and hope that it goes to the moon. Guys, you don't do it like that. You follow the rich. This is how the rich is doing. They making their money weekly, monthly. Okay? Stop listening to these stupid YouTubers that don't know what they're talking about. You have people out here saying hodl to zero. Like, does that even make any sense? Why would you want to hodl to zero? That means that you don't respect your money. Your hard-earned money, you don't respect it. Like, are you kidding me? Hodl to zero? What kind of language is that? What kind of nonsense is that? Hodl to zero. Come on, guys. You're better than that. You're better than that, guys. Let me go to these questions real quick. Let's see what I see here. And shout out to everybody that's here. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Let me give you guys a round of applause. I'm about to get out of here soon. Take a break. Let me see if I catch up on these questions real quick. Trying to go through these questions real quick. You said BH. I don't see that here. Let me see here. You said, what do I think about this as a short? I don't see any patterns. Let me look at the 4 hour. I don't know if this is the chart that you're looking at right now, but I don't see any setups on this chart. Let's see here. Richard says, subscribe, bro. Since I stumbled on your channel, I've been hooked, man. Shout out to you, Richard. Let me give you a round of applause. And guys, if you are new to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button, because over here I only tell you the truth. It's just what it is. Okay. Ben, if BTC hits 1500 next week, what does the market have to do from that point? You think the bear market is over? No, the bear market doesn't. Guys, the bear market doesn't just reverse like that. So let's say 1500 is the bottom, right? Even if 1500 is the bottom, it's not going to just reverse like that. Most likely, it's going to flatline and go sideways for a long time, because it has to rest. It has to catch it's running out of breath. So it's almost like running. Okay, so you have to rest, catch your breath. Let me see here. You said never mind. You answered it. The government has to get shut out of crypto. Yeah, the government has to get out of crypto. Who knew said there's no law for them. Don't worry too much about the government. No. You don't understand. Who knew? First of all, the government, they make their own laws, okay? They make their own laws, so they can come up with a law. They can come up with a law tomorrow telling you that you can't put your money on these exchanges. So let me, I guess, say this a little bit better, okay? Yes, they probably can't shut down Bitcoin itself, but the way they can shut it down is indirectly, okay? And how they can do that is shut down exchanges. They can come out with a law tomorrow and say, yo, if you put money in these exchanges, you're going to jail. So if there's no money on the exchanges, what do you think the price of Bitcoin is going to be? Because everybody has to withdraw the money out. Let me see here. Randy said, Ben, about to get deep. So what do you see, Ben? I see opportunity to the downside. That's what I see. Okay, I see people need to learn how the bear market works and just become familiar with everything else. Reading the charts. TA used last year in the bull market. Buy the dip won't work. Let me give Paul a round of applause. Paul is 100% correct. 100% correct, guys. All that buying the dip stuff, that's only for the bull market, okay? Thanks for your words, bro. Yeah, thanks a lot for tuning in, man. I appreciate it. How do you legally trade leverage while being a U.S. citizen? Are you talking about crypto? Now, if you're talking about crypto, just email me. If you're talking about the futures market, that's automatic. That's automatic leverage. Okay. School learns you everything, yeah, except for the truth. You're right. I agree. School is a waste of time. So is college, most of the part. Yes, I think for the most part, schools is a waste of time unless you want to become a doctor or a lawyer, and that's about it. But if you really want to make this money, guys, I suggest you learn on your own. Hey, bro, you're spitting Jews, man. Shout out to you, Frizzy boy. You say you like my position on XRP. December is a great call. Said it. It can possibly go to. I didn't say big. XRP can go to $17. Maybe I'm reading that wrong, but I never said that. The system is set up. Yes, 100. You're right. You know, it's set up for the average Joe. You know, they don't want the average Joe to make money. Okay, you know, that's why you have you know, the world upside down. I mean, let's be honest, guys. All right, the whole world is upside down. Like, why do we have human beings starving? No one should be starving right now. There's enough food for everybody. But of course, okay, you have people, evil people, that control. You know, let me just read these. People should not fear system at the end. Government need mass. Yes, you are right. Who knew? You are 100% correct. Okay. The thing is, if we have, in order to do that, we just have to come together and have a plan. Okay. We just can't say, you know, we withdraw and that's it. We have to have a plan. You know, how to, you know, it's a whole bunch of stuff right now. But let me see. Big Ben with the knowledge bomb. Shout out to you, bro. Sorry, I don't invest on something isn't physical like gold. Yeah, the thing about gold, though, you know, gold and silver is, you know, it's just, it is manipulated, and you know, unfortunately, it's manipulated. Okay. Yeah, I hear you, bro. I'm reading these questions, so give me a second. When I discovered years ago this Federal Reserve was a private bank, yeah, and that money printed out, and yep, that woke me up from the Matrix. Exactly, you are right. I'm trying to go through these questions real quick because I'm about to get out of here. Thanks, but still learning slowly. Yeah, shout out to you. $20K a month would be a significant step up for, yes, exactly, and that's why I'm trying to help you guys understand. Okay, you don't have to make $1 million. You know, you don't have to make $1 million. All right, you can make $250,000 and still make a decent living. I mean, still have, you know, still make a lot. I mean, all right. Sean E said, Ben, do you take crypto for your course? Yes. Okay, so he's talking about this course right here. Right now it's at $150, and that's only the live stream price. So Sean, yes, I do take crypto. What you have to do is email me. All right. Let me give you guys this link right here. So email me right now, Sean. I'm gonna give you my email address. Okay. Email me right now because I want to make sure that you was on this live stream so I can give you that discount. Okay, so here's my email address, Sean E. And once you email me, I will definitely give you the instructions for the crypto. I'm reading these questions, so give me a second. Steve G said, I'm new, and I really like your honesty. You put out definitely sub. So shout out to you, bro. Thanks a lot. Let me give you a round of applause. I got a new subscriber. Okay. And guys, if you're just new to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button. Okay. You know, because these moon boys or these moon crypto YouTubers, they will tell you anything, guys, to keep subscribers. Don't you know that it's dangerous for me to talk like this? Right? My channel, I mostly talk about crypto, okay? I might, you know, decide to talk more about the futures market later on. But right now, I mostly talk about crypto. Don't you know it's dangerous for me to talk like this? Go against the whole crypto market, okay? Don't you know I can lose a whole bunch of subscribers? And yes, I had a lot of people unsubscribe from me, okay? But at the same time, look, the people that unsubscribe from me, they are coming back. You know why they're coming back? Because ever since February and March, I've been telling you guys, hey, man, this doesn't look good. Most likely we will continue to go down. And we will, you know, we are in a bear market, and stop buying these dips, okay? And not only that, I told these guys, hey, if you want to make money now in this current market, you know, you can actually short and make money, okay? So, you know, it is what it is. I mean, I might, you know, get a lot of hate from people saying that, you know, the market looks like it's weak and it's going to continue to go down. You know, but at the same time, why would you get mad at me? I'm not making the market go down. All right. All I am is a professional that reads the chart and tell you what the chart is showing me. So shout out to you, man. Thanks a lot for subscribing. What's Tron doing? Let me see what Tron is doing. That's a good question. That's a great question. What's Tron doing, guys? TRX. What's going on with Justin's son? He got anything new coming up? Justin's son got anything new coming up? Because you know Justin's son got every month he got something new. So Tron looks like it will go below a penny. Okay, it looks like it will go below a penny. Okay, guys. So the people that basically sold, you know, because a lot of people when we had this crazy pump, right, when the mainnet came out, I was telling people like, yo, bro, I understand that you love Tron and Tron is going up right now, but we are still in the bear market. So if you have any profits, you know, like I said, I can't tell you what to do, but if it was me, I would book these profits. Okay, so some people did book profits, some people didn't. Okay, the people that did, they say, man, thank you, bro, thanks a lot for telling me, you know, because the market is down right now. And that's the name of the game, guys. The name of the game is booking profits. You have to book your profits. If you don't, you're gonna be that guy that just, you had $1 million, but you don't have $1 million now. Okay, don't you know a guy came in on my live stream the other day? He said that he made 700K, guys, pretty much $1 million. He made pretty much $1 million, and now it's gone. He said it's right back to where he bought it at, and it's going lower. Okay, and that's before we went down to 3,000. So I don't know where he's out. He's probably losing right now. I don't know. I mean, I'm guessing, or I'm hoping that he, you know, sold his position and he's out. But, you know, you have people like, you know, that have $1 million right in their account, and they don't take it because they think the market is going straight up. And this is what I'm trying to help you guys. I'm trying to help you understand that the market doesn't go up forever, guys. You have to take your profits. You have to take your profits, man. Stop being greedy. Molly said, hi, Ben. I sent you an email. Okay, shout out to you. Molly, when I get off this, what do you call it? What is this? This live stream, I would definitely look at your email, okay? And anybody else that has any questions about my day trading course or crypto course, you can email me. But you know, I gave you guys that link, and this link is only good for this live stream. You know, this is 150 actually. Let me see here. Let me go through these questions real quick. How XRP coming days? I don't know what you mean by that. XRP. You said how is coming? Well, XRP it's basically in a bear market like everyone else. Okay, so XRP is going to feel the heat just like everyone else. So just be prepared for you know, the market to sell off. Okay. Now, are you going to see bounces? Yes. Okay. So just because you see a green bar doesn't mean that the market is going to reverse. You know, I hate these moon boys when they, especially these YouTubers. Oh, guys, you see this green bar? We about to moon up. This is the bottom. Steve G said definitely shouldn't be starving. Yes, definitely. XRP is coming along great. Not right now. XRP is struggling right now. I'm personally waiting to the mid of March before I start buying crypto again. Crypto market will still be under 1 billion mid March. Okay. So Chris, let me ask you a question. Why are you waiting March? Okay. And how come you're not trying to make money now? Okay, that's another question. So it's two questions. Why are you waiting until March, and why are you not trying to make money now? Ben, I'm starting to think everything is manipulated, even regular stuff like yes. Okay, let me give him the bomb, guys. Okay, all right, let me give you that bomb. Let me see what's going on here. Hold on for a second. My computer's acting up. Hold on. I was trying to give you that bomb. Yes, everything is, guys, like I said before, guys, we live in a matrix. Okay, it's just what it is. We can't do nothing about it. All right, everything is controlled. Everything is you know, our food is not real food. There's all this processed stuff inside the food. All right. I believe in XRP, not in Bitcoin. Believing, Fernando, believing is different than knowing. Okay, so you can believe in a lot of things. Okay, I believe I can fly, but it doesn't mean I can fly. All right, you really have to understand, if you really want to make money in this market, okay, you can't guess. All right, if you really want to play with the big boys, you can't guess. Okay, so believing is one thing, but knowing is another. John said, get Ben's course. It will teach you a skill that will produce cash flow for the rest of your life. Stop listening to the fools trying to get you to place a bet and hope for the best. Let me give him a round of applause. Shout out to you, bro. John is actually one of my students. He got both of my courses. He got the crypto course and he got the day trading course. So shout out to you, man. Let me give you that bomb button too. Yes, you know, and he's 100% correct. He's 100% correct. Okay, once you have a skill, that skill is not going to go away. Okay, you can make money forever, over and over and over. How long is the course? The crypto course? I don't know. 2-3 hours? Who knows? Probably around there. Yeah, I know, right? If everything is shut down and we don't have no TV, no internet, everything will be crazy, guys. Who knew said, thanks for the live stream. See you later, guys. Yeah, I'm about to be out of here too. Give me a couple of minutes and I'm out of here. Sign up for the day trading course, Ben. Looking forward to make money. John, what day trading course you sign up for? Because this is not the day trading course, John. All right. Let me know, because this is the crypto course right here. This crypto course is the swing trading course. Okay. My day trading course, you have to email me for that. Okay. My day trading course is showing you how the Wall Street guys make money. Okay, if you want to learn how the Wall Street guys make money, how these guys are making tons of money, then you would basically go with that day trading course. The price is way more than that, but it's worth it because it will show you how to make money daily. Okay, that's why it's worth more. Because it shows you how to make money daily. Okay, I have students that went live already, that double their account already, triple their account. So John, let me know. Let me know, because you said day trading. This course is about swing trading. So let me know, John. You collect a group of the people that never unsubscribe for the channel. You care about quality, not quantity. Not everyone. I appreciate that. Thanks a lot, bro. I appreciate that, Lord Awards. Appreciate that. What is a good exchange for traded crypto and USD? Email me. Email me for that. How do I subscribe to your course? So are you talking about this course? I have two courses, guys. Are you talking about this one? Okay, this is the crypto course, which teach you how to swing trade. Okay, if you want to get this one comes with a Discord room. You can chat with me and my students. All right, you can get this course. Now, if you want the day trading course, just email me. All right, that's a different beast, because a lot of people, they can't. A lot of people can't day trade because they still the hours that they work at their 9 to 5 is not allowing them to day trade. Okay, some of my students still work. Okay, some of my students still work, but what they do is, let's say they might have a day off during the day. I mean, during the week. So let's say some people might have a day off during the week, or 2 days during the week. Or I have some students that work in the afternoon. So if you are free during the day, in the mornings, you can still day trade. Okay. But if you want to day trade in one, you got to email me for that. Okay. Like I said, that's a different beast. That will help you make money daily. So that's why it costs more than this. Okay. This is a swing trading one. Okay. But the other one is one that shows you how the Wall Street guys are making money. And if you click on my channel, you will see me have a lot of live videos of me trading live, making money. So you could definitely check that out. Let me read these questions real quick. Let me see. You said everybody's struggling, Ben, but it still has enough upward volatility for me to get 1%. Just got to be real when to buy. I don't know, honestly, I don't play those type of games. I'd rather go with the major trend. Someone said the crypto game is over. What exchange you trade for crypto? Like I said, email me. XRP, that is. Was it a troll? A troll called me scammer. Okay, so how about this, scammer? Show me how you make your money. Okay, because I have multiple videos on my channel. Just click on my channel. It's not hard to do that. Okay, like I said, your favorite YouTuber, your favorite crypto YouTuber can't show you videos of him making money live. Okay, just it's not hard, guys. Just click on my channel, go to my videos, and you see me making money live. So let me see. I believe the bear market will continue. Yes, you said end of the March. As I understand that, that's well, Chris, it doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. But you know, good luck to you. But it doesn't work like that. You know. I'm about to get out of here, guys. I appreciate everything. You said I signed up for the course I emailed you about. Okay. Oh, you did? You said you signed up for my course that you emailed me about. Let me see. Was it the day trading course? Cause you know I get a lot of emails, bro. Let me see here. What's the first letters? What's the first two letters? Of your email, John. What's the first two letters of your email? Let me see here. This is the end of crypto. It's just oh boy. Yes, anyone can work and still swing trade. Yes. I want to be out my job within a year. Is it possible with your course and guidance? You know, I can't give anybody a set date, okay? Because I don't know how dedicated you are, okay? Lopez, I don't know how dedicated you are, okay? But what I can tell you is, I can tell you from what I experienced already, okay? I have a student that, or I have pretty much most of my students never day traded, okay? So I have two students that went live already, okay? One student already tripled his investment, okay? Tripled his account and actually quadrupled his account. We have another trader that doubled his account, okay? And he's on his way of tripling his account. So that's the only thing I can give you, you know, from the traders that basically taking my class right now. And these traders never trade the market at all, okay? So they study, they practice, okay? I tell everybody else, all right? I tell you, listen, once you get this material, you study, you practice, and then you go on your demo, okay? And then if, you know, once you feel comfortable, then you could go live, okay? So is it possible? Yes, it's possible. Can you do it? I don't know. I don't know your personality. I don't know how dedicated you are, okay? But if you are interested in a day trading class, okay, then you got to email me, okay? Now, the other one, I gave you guys that link. All right, so you said Chevelle, Gerard. Okay, let me see. All right, so let me see here. All right, I think I know what you're talking about. Okay, so shout out to you. I didn't know you signed up. Okay, so you just signed up just right now, John. You just signed up just right now. Now I'm looking at your email. I'm looking at your email right now. Okay. So let me know if you just signed up just right now, because if you did, I have to send you an email. Okay. ABDI said, Ahmed said you just purchased the course. Which one, Ahmed? You talking about the crypto course? You just purchased the crypto course? Shout out to you. Okay, let me give you guys a round of applause for starting to wake up. Okay, because some of you guys, some of you guys, you know how long I had to be on live to wake you guys up. So shout out to Ahmed. Yes, it's a raw file, Ahmed. So basically, what you're gonna do is you're gonna download a WinRAR, which is free. Okay, and the WinRAR will actually open the file for you. Okay, but Ahmed, what I want you to do, Ahmed, is email me right now, because I'm going to give you the Discord room, because this course comes with a Discord room, and I'm going to send you that room. Okay, now I'm talking to John right now. So shout out to John. John said he signed up for my day trading class. So that's a different beast, guys. Let me give John a round of applause. Let me give him a round of applause. Okay. Now, John, are you still with me? Because what I'm gonna do when I get off this this live stream, I'm going to email you right away, because once I email you, I have to give you that Discord room, okay, for the day trading class. All right, John. Because some of you guys think this is a joke. It's not a joke, guys. Okay, for you guys that don't understand, don't know the story behind the day trading class. Honestly, guys, I wasn't even trying to create any type of day trading course at all. Okay, because it would just be another headache. Okay, when I created this course right here. When I created this course right here, if my thing shows up, man, my computer's acting slow. When I create this course, I said to myself, I'm done. I'm not creating no more courses. I was like, bro, I don't like that, man. I don't want to create no more courses at all. So what I did was, a lot of people been asking me about day trading, like, because they know I day trade. So I'm like, it took me at least 5 to 6 months to create that class. So what I did was I didn't create a course at all. I created a class. All right. So I said, okay, guys, if you want to learn more about day trading, this is how it's going to work. It's going to be a class. It's going to be a private live stream. Okay. Because I can't sit down and just create a class like that. It's a headache for me. Okay. I'm not really into the business to, sell courses like that. So, if I was, trust me, I would have the knowledge that I know right now. I can literally have 5 different courses right now, 6 different courses. But I'm not in the business to create courses. All right, I didn't even want to create that day trading one, but it was the reason why I did it, because it was a live class. Okay, it's much easier, to do it that way. So what I did was I record the live classes. Okay, so when you get that day trading course, you're gonna get those live classes. Okay, not only that, you're gonna get me. You're gonna get me personally for 5 day trading. You can send 5 day trading sessions, and I will correct all your trades. Okay, tell you what you did wrong, tell you what what you did right, blah blah blah. So John, yes. So John, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to email you as soon as I get off this live stream, and I'm gonna give you that that day trading course. Okay, I mean that day trading Discord link. Okay, all right, John. Ahmed, yes. So Ahmed, send me an email. Okay, and guys, when you send me an email, if you got that crypto course, when you send me the email, show me proof that you got the course. So because I want to give you guys that Discord room, because it comes with a Discord room. All right. Carlos said, I just bought that crypto course. Let me give him a round of applause. Thanks a lot, guys. Let me give you guys that ka-ching button too, man. If I can get it. Goodness gracious, this is crazy. What's going on with my computer? All right, let me give you that ka-ching button, and also let me give you a round of applause, because you don't understand, guys. It's very hard for me, right? guys, it's very hard for me to come. It's very hard for me to come on live stream and talk about this, okay? Because a lot of people, they think the opposite. But they really have to understand, I do this full time. So shout out to you, Carlos. Carlos, what I want you to do, Carlos, right now is email me and send me proof that you bought the course so I can send you that Discord room, please. Ahmed said, a Xrapid file, give me an error. Ahmed, what are you using? Are you using Windows or are you using Mac? Because if you're using Mac, maybe that's why. Okay, you're using Windows? Okay, so if you're using Windows, email me right now and I'm gonna give you actually you shouldn't be having any problems, but email me right now. Okay, email me right now. Forex Hangout, I don't know if he's a troll. Well, let's get that guy out of here. I don't need no trolls right here now. Okay, I'm trying to help people and save. You know how many people that I'm helping right now, guys, financially. Okay. Shout out to Randy. Randy is actually one of my students. Okay. Where Randy's at? I know he's on this live stream. He told me that he made 1,500 I think this week. Okay. He made like 1,500 this week, bro. He's actually one of my students. Okay, yes. So Ahmed, if you email me, that's good. So as soon as you email me, I'm gonna give you my Discord room. Okay, you can talk to my students, and also I'm gonna give you make sure that you understand how to extract the files. It's easy. It's real easy. Anyway, shout out to you guys. Thanks a lot for stopping by. I'm about to get out of here. I'm gonna get something to eat. All right, let me give you guys another round of applause before I get out of here. And honestly, guys, I'm so glad that some of you guys are actually waking up, okay? Because I don't really have to do this. I don't have to do this at all. I don't have to be on YouTube. Honestly, if you look at the videos, you know, lately, I haven't been doing a lot of live streams, okay? Because I was going to take a real break from the crypto world. And what happened last week was a crazy sell-off. So I'm like, you know, a crazy sell-off. And I'm like, man, it's like I had to do a live stream because I've been talking about this the whole year. And a lot of people, you know, was laughing about, you know, about what I was talking about. So I was like, man, I had to do a live stream. Okay. So, and not only did I did a live stream, I had to do it just to warn people, stop buying the dips, okay? Because you have to understand, when we broke out of this triangle right here, don't you know a lot of people bought this dip right here? So I had to come on my live stream and say, hey guys, chill out, stop buying dips, okay? Stop buying dips. And the people that bought this dip right here, they got wiped out. And then you have people that bought this dip right here and they got wiped out. So I believe I'm doing the right thing as a professional, as a human being. I believe I'm doing the right thing. You know, you don't, like I said before, guys, you don't even have to buy my course. As long as I save you money and help you, that's all I need. All right. So shout out to you guys. Thanks a lot for sticking by me. You know, because honestly, it's very hard for me to come on live stream and talk to a group that is, you know, it's hard to talk to a group that don't understand what I'm trying to say. All right, let me see if I see one more question. I really don't. Okay, so guys, thanks a lot, guys. Appreciate it. I definitely appreciate it. Glenn said you are at 6.4 subs. Yeah, man, I see that. Hopefully, it looks like I might be at 6.5. Maybe hit that 7K by the end of this year. Who knows? I don't know. But shout out to you guys, man. Appreciate it. Carlos, once again, Carlos, email me. Ahmed, email me. And who else? Someone else. John, I'm going to get to you too. Because I want you guys to get in the Discord right away. So I'll talk to you guys later. If you have any questions about anything, just contact me. The email is below. Talk to you guys later. And please, guys, make sure you improve. Make sure you study the charts. Always improve, guys. Okay? Stop thinking that you know it all. Okay? You don't know it all. Okay? Even me, a person that does this full time, I always look to improve every single day. All right? So stop thinking that you know it all and you sitting back and relaxing. No, it's not. This is not the time to relax, guys. This is the time to improve. So talk to you guys later and have a great day.